Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off real-time protection of your Windows Security or Windows Defender. So if you feel laggy, or if you want to install the games, install the software, and you don't want antivirus interrupted, especially if you use Windows Defender as your primary antivirus, you can try to turn off RTP, real-time protection. So the Windows Defender will turn off temporarily when you try to play your game, install any software, or make a reduced lag because of Windows Defender running on your background task. Let's start by go to the settings on your PC. Here you can try to access Windows Defender from the system and click on for developer here and scroll down and try to find control antivirus behavior, or you can directly search on Defender. Here we go, Windows Security will show up. You can click it. Sorry, let's get back first. Here we go. Here you can click on virus threat protection. You can manage settings. Here you can try to turn off RTP, real-time protection, and also you can consider to turn off developer drive protection, cloud delivered protection, and automatic sample submission, leave it be, tamper protection, leave it be, and just control folder access and exclusion, just leave it be. But it's very important to turn off RTP. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.